There is a very small man named Jim. Jim is only 1 foot tall, even though he's 48 years old. People always perceive him as a child. They don't see him as a big, strong man. In the public's opinion, in most people's opinion, Jim is a cute little boy. He hates people's perception. He hates what people think about him. He says, I want people to accept me as I really am. I want them to give me unconditional respect. He says, I don't want people to go on treating me like a child.